what we're going to cover in this actual module. So first of all, I want to talk about the history of Objective-C. I want to give you a little bit of background about Objective-C just so you know where it's coming from and why it's so different than a language like C# or Java. Then we're going to go over some of the basic syntax of Objective-C. The goal here, again, is not to go really in depth into everything you can do in Objective-C and all of the underlying C behind it, but just to give you enough of a syntax that you'll be able to do the basic things that you would need to do to create an iPhone application. Then I'm going to go through a little demo, and I'm just going to show you a command line program in Objective-C in Xcode in the environment so you can just kind of see how to create classes and manipulate them away from the iOS development framework so that we can see Objective-C kind of by itself and just make sure that we are able to apply these concepts that we've learned. And then we're going to go over some of the general concepts and kind of look at this from a high-level view of what are the differences between Objective-C and other programming languages, and what are the things that are core to Objective-C. There's not too many of them, but we'll cover those and get a good understanding of that. Finally, we're going to compare Objective-C to C#, and this is really more for you as a reference is my idea here, is that you'll be able to go back to these slides and you'll be able to say, okay, this is the thing that I want to do in C#, how do I do it in Objective-C? And so we'll just go over that and let's go ahead and get started.